I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here let's go ahead and look at how to create a Fibonacci sequence using a for loop. Alright, so here we'll be creating a Fibonacci sequence, and Fibonacci sequence is a sequence that helps you to get the sum of the preceding number from the addition of the previous two numbers. So let's say I have 1, and 1 plus 1 will give me 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, and so on. That is how Fibonacci sequence moves. Let's go ahead and kick off immediately by initialization of variable of x, and let that x be of absolute value, and then of integer variables, and input. Go ahead and say insert range of sequence. Insert range of sequence. Now let's go ahead and say f1 is equal to f2 is equal to 1, and let's go ahead and print f1 f2, then end. Alright, so let's go ahead and say, using a for loop, go ahead and say for y in range of x minus 2. For y in range of x minus 2, we'll go ahead and print out f1 plus f2, then go ahead and end that, and then we go ahead and say f1 f2 is equal to f2, then f1 plus f2. Alright, so that is all to print out the Fibonacci sequence. Let's go ahead and run this code to insert the range of sequence. Let's say the range of sequence is 7, and that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. Now let's go ahead and run this and increase that to maybe 12, and you can see that it increased. So you can go ahead and put this down on your system. This is a Fibonacci sequence using a for loop system, and I hope that it works out very fine. And go ahead and check it out. In case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.